Hello children, welcome back for our next video session. This is our next video for class 6 chapter 1 exercise 1.3. In this exercise we are going to solve word problems based on 4 operations. Children, words denoted in the slide are the key words for addition. Let us read the words. Increased by, combine, add, plus, sum, all, together, more than. Now we are going to see the keywords for subtraction. The words are deduct, decrease by, difference, how many more, how many left, leftover, less than, minus, reduce, remains, remove, subtract, take away. These are the words for subtraction. Children, now let us read the key words of multiplication. The words are as much, by, equal groups, groups of, lots of, multiply, multiplied by, per, product of, times. Now let us see the last fourth operation, division. The key words are divide, remainder, share, share equally, groups of, divided by, repeated subtraction, each. The each is a very important word. Children, I think you will be thorough with the keywords for all the 4 operations in solving word problems. Now let us get into the exercise 1.3. Sum number 3. This exercise is full of word problems. Sum number 3. The number of people who visited the public library for the past 5 months were 1200, 2000, 2450, 3060, 3200. So, children, count how many numbers are there? Yes, there are 5 numbers. So, if there are more than 2 numbers, it is understood that the given operation is addition. 2 நம்பருக்கு மேல கொடுத்தாலே that is addition. And the key word here is how many. Now, we are going to add all these 5 numbers. So, here the number is given is in the form of countable numbers. Let us start the statement with number of people visited the library for the past 5 months, or write down all the numbers vertically from one's place, add all the numbers. The answer is 11,910. Next sum of the exercise. Charan add a bank savings of rupees 7,50,250. So his bank savings, bankல எவ்வளவு சேவ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? rupees 7,50,250. And he withdrew rupees 5,34,500 for educational purpose. Find the balance amount in his account. So from his savings, he is taking away 5,34,500 for educational purpose, and you have to find the remaining amount in the bank. Bankla evlo remaining irukum. So the key word is balance. So by the word itself we can understand that it is the subtraction. The operation here is subtraction. So now let us form the statement for the sum. So here find out, see the number given, it is not countable, it is in the form of rupees. Rupees means how will you form the statement? The statement should start with the word the amount of. So it is in the form of rupees. So you have to start in the form of amount. The amount saved by Charan equal to rupees 7,50,250. So what is the amount he is taking away from the bank? The amount is 5,34,500. So after subtracting, your answer is, what is your answer? Subtract and find out the answer. So the answer is 2,15,750. So the balance amount in the account is rupees 2,15,750. Our next sum, in a cycle factory. So it is a cycle factory. 1,560 bicycles were manufactured every day. So for one day, every day means what? For one day they are able to produce 1,560 bicycles. Find the number of bicycles manufactured in 25 days. So day by day எல்லா நாளும் அவங்க எவ்வளவு ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்றாங்கன்னா 1,560 bicycles. So we are asked to find it for 25 days. So starting la one quantity கொடுத்துட்டு at the end of the statement la நிறைய quantity கேட்டாங்கன்னா it is understood that we have to multiply. So let us form the statement. Number of bicycles. Here we can able to count a bicycle and the unit is not in the form of rupees, meter and all. So we have to form the statement as number of bicycles manufactured in one day is equal to 1,560, and for 25 days it is into 25. The answer is 39,000. The last sum of the exercise, rupees 62,500 was equally distributed as a New Year bonus for 25 employees of a company. So எத்தனை employees இருக்காங்க? 25 employees, and the total amount spent for the bonus is rupees 62,500. So we can easily find out the difference between the previous sum and this sum. So previous sumல என்ன பண்ணாங்க? At the beginning of the statement they have given every day, and at the end of the statement it is given as 25 days. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா beginningல பெரிய நம்பர் இருக்கு, endல சின்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு, and the key word is each. So the operation is division. How will you form the statement? It is in the form of rupees. Rupeesல இருக்கும்போது என்ன வரணும்? Amount. So total amount of New Year bonus is equal to rupees 62,500, and the number of employees is equal to 25. Divide the number and find out the answer. The answer is 2,500. So each employee share is rupees 2,500. Children, I think you would have understood exercise 1.3. Work out all the sums of exercise 1.3. I'll catch you later in our next video. Thank you, children.